Hey, let's quickly set up e-signatures in your Noloco app to speed up approvals and agreements. First, we'll cover setting up the e-signature. This will help you get approvals faster and keep things moving smoothly. Navigate to the form where you want to add the e-signature field. Here's what you do. Choose the field you intend to use for the signature. Change the Display As option to e-signature. Next, we're going to show you the different ways you can sign documents in Noloco, so you can pick the one that works best for your needs. Here's a look at each method. You can use the draw method. This is ideal for touch-enabled devices. Simply use your finger or a stylus to sign. Or you can use the type method. Just type your name and it automatically converts into a handwritten signature. If you have a preferred signature style, you can also upload your signature as an image. That's it. Adding e-signatures to your Noloco app is easy and can really speed up your workflow. Give it a try.